How to use Aloha Cloud. Running a thriving restaurant today takes much more than serving up delicious meals and offering warm hospitality. In an industry that's constantly evolving, staying ahead of the curve means equipping your business with the right technology that can adapt, scale, and simplify your day to day operations. That's where Aloha Cloud POS comes into play. It is designed by NCR, which is a trusted name in restaurant technology with decades of experience. Aloha Cloud POS is a powerful cloud based point of restaurants, whether you're running a quick service eatery or a fine dining restaurant or even a multi location franchise. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the Aloha Cloud POS platform, explore its standout features, talk about the value it delivers to restaurant operators and staff, and also ultimately help you decide if it's the right tech solution for your business. So one of the biggest advantages of Aloha Cloud is its cloud native infrastructure. That means your entire POS setup is hosted online, giving you real-time access to your restaurant's data anytime, anywhere, and on any device. So whether you're checking sales reports from home, updating your menu from your phone, or managing multiple branches while on the move, Aloha Cloud makes it all possible. This level of accessibility is game-changing for busy owners and managers who can't always be on site. And because it's cloud-based, updates happen automatically, no need for costly on-premise servers or manual software upgrades, saving you time, money, and headaches. Now let's talk about usability. Aloha Cloud comes with a sleek, intuitive interface designed for speed and simplicity. It's touchscreen optimized and easy to navigate so your system can take orders, modify items, split checks, and manage tables with minimal training. This is especially valuable during high traffic hours when every second counts. The faster your staff can adapt to the system, the more efficient your service becomes and the smoother your guest experience will be. Another standout feature integrated online is ordering. With Aloha Cloud, you can accept digital orders directly through your POS system. No need to rely on external delivery platforms that take a cut of your profits or complicate the process. Customers can place orders for pickup or delivery through a branded interface, and the kitchen receives those tickets instantly, reducing errors and ensuring a seamless workflow from click to kitchen. It's faster, it's cleaner, and it puts more revenue back in your pocket. To make informed business decisions, you need access to real-time insights. Aloha Cloud gives you just that. From one easy-to-read dashboard, you can track sales trends, monitor labor costs, manage inventory levels, and dig into customer behavior. The data is live and visual, making it easy to identify opportunities and act on them quickly. So, want to know your top-selling item last week? Curious about labor costs during peak hours? Aloha Cloud's reporting tools can answer those questions in seconds. Managing staff is no small task, but Aloha Cloud streamlines the process with built-in employee management tools. From scheduling shifts and tracking hours to processing payroll and managing time off requests, everything is handled in one centralized system. Employees can clock in and out right from the terminal, and managers can approve schedule changes or shift swaps in just a few taps. It's fast, compliant, and reduces administrative overhead. Let's face it, ingredient costs are one of the biggest expenses in any restaurant. Aloha Cloud helps you keep your margins in check with robust inventory management features. And also, you can monitor stock levels, send reorder alerts, analyze usage patterns, and get detailed reports and food cost percentage all in real time. This helps you cut down on waste, make more accurate purchasing decisions, and reduce those unexpected surprises in your monthly financials. In today's world, customers accept a frictionless checkout experience. So Aloha Cloud supports EMV chip payments, contactless options like Apple Pay and Google Pay, and even has built-in tipping prompts for better staff compensation. All transactions are encrypted and PSI compliant, giving both you and your guests peace of mind. Whether it's a dine-in bill, a takeout order, or a large catering invoice, the process is smooth and secure. What makes Aloha Cloud especially attractive is its scalability. It's just as effective for a small independent cafe as it is for a growing restaurant group with multiple locations. You can manage everything from a centralized system while still giving each location the autonomy it needs. This flexibility makes it easier to expand, test new concepts, or open seasonal locations without the need to reconfigure your entire tech stack. Aloha Cloud also plays well with others. It integrates with a variety of third-party applications and services from kitchen display systems and delivery platforms to accounting software and marketing tools. This connectivity allows you to build a customized ecosystem that suits your restaurant's unique workflow. So it's also important to highlight that Aloha Cloud is built by NCR, a company with a long-standing reputation in restaurant tech space. They've been providing POS systems for decades, and Aloha is one of their flagship offerings. So when you choose Aloha Cloud, you're not just getting a software platform, you're getting a trusted partner with experience, stability, and dedicated support. And this is the interface of Aloha Cloud. So there are various options that you can choose from, such as restaurant type, which includes quick service and other options, and you can just choose it according to your own feasibility, like fast casual, casual dining, fine dining. Then we have solutions like Aloha Cloud POS, Aloha Essentials POS, and some overview and front house of that. And then we can see the services they offer, services overview, deployment, managed statuses. And then for resources, we have blog, customer stories, guides, Aloha referral program, and then you can also contact them by clicking over here. So to sum it all up, Aloha Cloud POS checks all the right boxes for today's restaurants. It is cloud-based access, real-time analytics, integrated online ordering, smart staff and inventory management, secure payments, easy scalability, hospitality-first design. Unlike generic POS systems built for retail or general use, Aloha Cloud is tailored specifically for the unique needs of restaurants. It simplifies the back of house, streamlines the front of house, and empowers you with the data to make confident business decisions. So whether you're opening your first location or managing a fast-growing franchise, Aloha Cloud POS can be reliable operations hub you need. One that grows with you and helps you stay competitive in a fast-paced industry. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave comment below with your thoughts or questions about Aloha Cloud POS. So until next time, here's to smarter tech and smoother service in your restaurant, and I'll see you in the next video.